Praise him for his act of power. Praise him for his surpassing greatness. Psalm 150 verses 2. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. In today's recipe, we will be making the perfectly fried yam and turkey tails. Since the holidays are fast approaching, I thought this is going to be one of the most amazing recipes to share. It is really simple, but yet it has that wow factor to just surprise all your guests and your loved ones. This is really going to make you create some fun memories together. So please stay tuned and let's make this together. You're definitely going to love it. Please save it. You must make this. Recipe requires very few ingredients. Here I'll be using my turkey tails or the turkey butts or Tsofi, some vegetables, homemade ketchup, and my homemade salad cream. I also do have some seasoning, curry powder, salt, a homemade shrimp tablet, and my yam. We'll be frying it, of course, and we do have my green marinade. Each and every ingredient used here will be listed below in the description box. All right, so do not worry. So to begin with, I like to go straight ahead and cook my turkey tails. We are going to use our marinade. In this marinade, I use just some parsley, ginger, garlic, and some onions. All right, so I'm going to also add my shrimp tablet and a little bit of salt, and I will allow it to slowly cook for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. By the way, I've shared a step-by-step recipe of how I make my Tsofi, so I'm going to link it here just in case you missed it. Please check below in the description box as well. All right, so the 10 minutes is here, but it's not cooked yet. You can see a lot of juices has also come out, so cover it and allow it to cook for an extra 10 to 15 minutes. So in the meantime, we're going to get our yam ready. We're going to peel off the yam and then cut them into cubes just like this. All right, so today I like to give a special shout out to Jojo, my dear brother Jojo. Thank you so much for the incredible support over the month. I think you discovered my channel not long ago, and I do want to believe that ever since you discovered my channel, you've never missed any comment, and that means a whole lot to me. Thank you so much for your positive energy and your comment. It means a lot. I do really appreciate you so much. Thank you. So now that we are done cutting our yam into cubes like this, it's very advisable to wash it very well. So I washed it about a couple of times, making sure that it is very well and nicely washed. And once done, we are going to go ahead and season the yam with a bit of salt and a bit of turmeric powder. The turmeric powder here gives the yam a bit of a color and just make it glow. All right, so we want our yams to glow, and go ahead and give it a mix. Allow it to sit. All right, allow it to properly sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before we end up frying them. You will see that color very soon. All right. So I think it's the perfect time for us to take out our turkey tails or Tsofi. They are ready. The green marinade I used also gave it a little bit of color, and it was just perfect. Not to talk about that stock that it gave us. Oh, golden. You do not have to throw it away. I'm coming with a recipe that I'll be using this with. All right, so we're going to cut it into smaller pieces just so that it fits in this recipe, because in this recipe everything is like cubes, small chunks. so good. Okay, so we do not want to mess it up with big chunky chofis. It does not fit like that. All right, so we're going to cut it into smaller pieces like this. Now it's frying time. We're going to add our oil in our frying pot, and it's really important to add enough oil to cover everything up. It helps bring out the crispiness. Right, I think you really witness that beautiful color of the yams. It is amazing. And of course, we're not going to forget about a bit of rosemary. It brings out that beautiful aroma out. And also sprinkle a little bit of water, cold water. It brings that crispiness out of the yam. All right, you can decide to fry all the yam before you start to cut and chop all your vegetables and salad, but I thought it was wise for me to use that waiting time to just get everything ready, because once the yam is out, it's go time. We just want to only fry the turkey and we will be done. Okay, so go ahead and do all your choppings and cuttings on your vegetables. Okay, here I use just some Roman salad. You can use some iceberg salad, any salad of choice, a bit of fresh tomatoes, some red onions, and some cucumbers. That was it for me, but you can go ahead and add lots more of vegetables, or take some of the vegetables out if you're not a fan of. Okay, so that is it, family. Go ahead and repeat until everything is done. And of course, for the salad, I really always prefer it shredded like this. I think it's phenomenal and just more delicious. I don't know about you. So we are done with all the vegetables. It's now time to go back and check with our yam. They are looking fabulous. Thank goodness nothing is burned. But while chopping your vegetables, you can just throw your eyes in there and see what is going on. That was what exactly I was doing. They look absolutely crispy and so beautiful with that turmeric addition. You can see that for yourself, right? So go ahead and take them out, put them on a countertop, just allow it to cool down, and if there is any excess oil, you're going to see for yourself. But this was so good. Repeat the frying process until you are done with every single thing. All right. These fried yams were so enjoyable. You need to really try this recipe. It's a no fail at all. So once we are done with the yams, we're going in with our turkey. But be mindful, it can be very dangerous frying turkey tails. So please go ahead and cover it, okay? Cover it and allow it to fry for about 10 minutes and you will be done. Now our golden fried turkey or Tsofi is ready. They are so tempting and very addictive. So when you're making this, be warned. All right, so it's now time to just go ahead and plate it. I told you this recipe is very simple. We're going to start with our green salad. Choose any salad of choice. I used the Roman salad, a bit of shredded carrots, and I'm going in with some tomatoes, onions. In fact, make it your own. Anything you love in your salad, please do go ahead and add it here. Okay, so all our salad is ready. We're going to just season it with a bit of olive oil, salt, and a bit of vinegar. And we are going to then add our perfectly crispy fried yam and our Tsofi, of course. Just have a look at this. How simple, how amazing. This is really balanced because you have your salad, of course, the healthier and least healthy that you might have on this plate might be the Tsofi, but you can go ahead and replace it with chicken or meat, or even some sardines will be perfect. So now splash on the ketchup, honey, I did made a ketchup recipe here. I'm going to link it here and below. Please make your own homemade ketchup if you have doubt. All right, and this homemade salad cream was also shared on this channel just in case you missed it. I know many of you missed it, so I will link it here below. And I will also love to go in with a bit of shito. The shito recipe is also here, so you have everything here. Even the sobolo recipe is here, so everything is here for you to make this recipe very, very perfect. Just have a look at this. It is just amazingly delicious. So there you have it, family. If you are a baked beans lover, you can definitely go ahead and add it. I love my baked beans. Hobby love his baked beans as well, so go ahead and add it. I've also shared the baked beans recipe here, which I will link below in the description box. This really reminds me of Ghana salad in it. It is so amazing. I really hope you give this a try, and I know for sure that you are going to absolutely love this. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps. And also, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.